Dear students, welcome to Delta's Mentors Mastery, Institutional Pivot TradingView, Pre-Setup Video. First open and log into your TradingView, then click Super Charts. Then click Search Symbol. Now on search bar type Gold. You will get different charts. Select Gold, T, VC TradingView chart. Now you can see the Gold TVC chart. Click here to clear all previously set indicators and drawings. Remove all. Here you can select chart timeframes. Select 30 minutes. Here you can select candles. You can see different types of candles. Japanese candle, volume candle, Heikin Ashi candle. Select Heikin Ashi candle. Now you can see that your chart candles changed. Now place mouse pointer on any free space on chart, then right-click, go to Settings. You can see different options. Select Event, then select Session Breaks. Here you can change color, line style, and thickness. Choose you likes. Then click OK. Now you can see session breaks added on your chart. Place your mouse pointer on a candle. Here you can see opening, high, low, and closing values. Here you can see indicators. Now you see favorites, my scripts, invite only. Select Invite Only. Perfect. You finally found what you are here for. Mentors Mastery, Institutional Pivots. Now stay tuned for your session. All the best.